everyone, we are here in Baguio Market Encounter. We're going to interview some people about pimples, and later on we're going to go around Baguio just to interview other people about pimples. What can they say, the cause, and how to lessen it. Come on guys! Kuya, pwede ka bang ma-interview? Yun na po. Good day everyone, we are here along Lake Drive, Burnham Park, Baguio City, and we're going to interview about pimples. So come on! Good morning! So here's, what's your name kuya? Kids and Charmaine. So ano masasabi niyo sa pimples?
Pimples?
Yeah.
Sa cause niya ata sa dumi din. Dumi.
Tsaka
Pwede rin sa mga sabon na ginagamit kung hindi ganun ka
Tama.
yung skin mo dun sa ginagamit. Siguro yun.
so, in your own way, how can you lessen having pimples?
Siyempre, daily bath. Wash your face
Okay.
before you sleep.
Oo.
Pagising.
Tsaka iwasan din yung masyadong paggamit ng mga soap na kung alam mong hindi pwede sa'yo, siguro iwasan mo na. Or kung may ginamit kang sabon, tapos hindi nag-irritate sa face mo, huwag mo na gamitin kasi magpapos din talaga siya.
Okay. Thank you! So, that's all from them. Goodbye!
Good morning. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Burnham at atin tatanungin si Jovi at Jade kung paano na kukuha ang pimples at paano mape-prevent ang pimples. Para sa inyo, ano ang cause ng pimples? Kung paano ito nakukuha?
Yung sa dumi po ng mukha.
Ikaw, Ading, ano masasabi mo sa pimples?
Yung mga likabok po na ako sa paligid.
Paano nyo naman masasabi kung paano malelesen ang pimple? Maghilamos lagi. Ikaw naman, Jovi.
Ugasan po ng mabuti yung mukha.
Yun lang po ba? Ano na kami?
Hi everyone, I'm Julia Paris. So, we'll ask him about pimples. What can he say about pimples? So, Kuya,
Ano?
what can you say about pimples?
Pimples?
Yeah?
Pimples? Tagyawan.
Sa tingin mo, saan nakukuha?
Ha? Pimples? Maybe sa stress.
Stress. Ano pa kuya?
Tsaka exposure sa sunlight, tsaka sa dust.
So, what's your secret why you don't have pimples?
Oo.
Yeah.
Lagi ako moisturize.
Moisturizer. What else?
Ginagamit ko yung Olay eh. Yung 7 steps eh.
Ay, ang sabi ng olay ni kuya. Ano pa
Hindi nga,
kuya?
totoo.
Olay mo pare.
Tsaka pagka marami yung kamay ko, hindi ko siya rinarap sa face ko.
So, yun yung ways mo para malesen ang pimples.
Tsaka lagi masaya.
Oh.
Isipin mo lagi babae. Para
Yun lang kuya. So, that's all. Good morning everyone. We are along Burnham. We're going to interview Manong Police. So, kuya, what can you say about pimples?
Pimples, normal lang yan. Tumutubo talaga yan sa lahat ng tao, di ba? Tapos,
Yeah.
kaya, yun lang.
So, sa tingin mo, anong cause niya?
Cause siguro is, basic sa mga narinig ko is, yung sa pores, di ba? Skin pores.
Yeah.
Tapos, medyo nag-block yung mga yun. So, dahil sa dumi, sa mga oil, yun, nagkukos siya ng, basta nababara, di ba?
So, kuya, in your own opinion, how can you prevent having pimples?
Hindi mo talaga mape-prevent yan, pero malilesen mo actually.
Malilesen? How can you lessen?
Na lang, proper hygiene, nilinis ka na.
Ibang ka lang mo dito.
Yun lang.
Dami sa lang tao, kailangan dyan.
That's my everyone. We are in Harrison Road. And we saw someone. Here's Gian. We'll ask him about pimples. So, anong masasabi mo sa pimples?
Pimples yan yung mga nanggagaling sa pagkatapos mo maglaro, pagkatapos mo magpawis. Pag hindi mo hinalamusan tapos bigla ka natulog, yung dirt, papasok yan, tapos magiging oil siya, tapos yun magiging
So sa tingin mo, paano natin siya i-prevent?
morning at saka bago matulog, magsilamit tayo yung may sabon yan. Tapos wag masyado sa mga oily foods yan. Tapos wag matulog.
Thank you. So that's Gian. Hi everyone, we are in session 2. We're going to interview about pimples. So here's Jacob. He'll say something about pimples. So what do you think is pimples? The cause of pimples?
Ang pimples, parang eye bags yan. Pinaghihirapan yan, hindi madaling makuha. Pero pag meron ka na, dapat alagaan mo. Nandiyan ang stress, maling diet, hindi proper hygiene. Kumbaga, tamang pag-aalaga lang. Tingnan mo tong pimple ko, inaalagaan ko yan. Pati eye bags ko, pati yung nag-interview sa akin may eye bags. Inaalagaan yan. Thank you.
Well, we can always treat pimples if we can go to sleep as early as possible, drink a lot of water, and proper diet. But if you're an insomniac, as I said a while ago, you can just deal with it, have fun. That's all.
Do you think pimples can be prevented?
Yes! And there's a lot of ways you can prevent pimples. As I said a while ago, you can always just sleep, rest, proper rest. I think that's all. That's the basic one.
Do you know how pimples...
Everyone, now we are inside now. We are about to interview about pimples. This is Nix. So Nix, what can you say about pimples? Any idea about pimples?
For me, pimples are caused by Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus came from the dirt outside the environment. For example, the smokes, the dirt. And how to prevent it is to wash your face daily, often if possible. Even if you are in school, you may wash your face at the bathrooms, comfort rooms perhaps. And that's the reason why I said Staphylococcus is the main, is one, can we do it again?